The Graphite Modeling Tools or Modeling Ribbon contains all the tools you need to edit polygonal models. The modeling ribbon displays in 3 states. By default, it is set to minimize to panel titles. Hovering over a panel displays the tools contained within it. If a poly object is not selected, the modeling ribbon displays the polygon modeling panel only. To display more panels, an editable poly object or an object with an edit poly modifier applied must be selected. You also need to be in the Modify panel. If you're not, a click on the Modify Mode button will take you there. Now more panels are displayed in the Graphite Modeling Tools. If an editable poly has multiple modifiers applied, you can navigate through them using the up-down arrows in the Polygon Modeling panel. The modeling ribbon can be minimized to display its tabs only. In this case, clicking a tab displays all the panels and all the tools contained within that tab. Finally, you can click Show Full Ribbon to display all tools at all times. You can hide and show individual panels with the right click of the mouse. Some panels are contextual and only display when other tools are selected. For example, switching to sub-object mode like Vertex, Edge, and Polygon reveals panels that are associated with these modes only. You can reorder panels by clicking and dragging their panel names. The Graphite Modeling Tools tab is where most of the poly editing is done. The Selection tab has tools that make sub-object selection easier. For example, Polygon Selection by Half selects half of a poly object based on its pivot point and local orientation. You can choose an axis and invert it to select half the polygons in one direction or another. The Freeform tab contains specialized tools used for organic modeling. For example, you can paint the form polygons using tools such as Shift to move sub-object around with a fall-off effect. Alternatively, you can use the Push-Pull effect to paint deformations on the fly. Other tools like Relax, Soften, Flatten, and Noise can help you fine-tune your work. The PolyDraw tools also present you with some unique features. For example, the Splines tool enables you to draw a spline that follows the topology of an uneven surface. This can be useful to generate paths for vehicle and/or cameras. The Branches tool can be very effective for creating spikes on objects. So far, you have viewed the modeling ribbon as a tool that is docked to the top of the screen below the main toolbar. You can make the ribbon float by tearing it out into the viewport area. Resizing the floating ribbon resizes the panels. Keep in mind the ribbon works best when used on a high-resolution monitor. If you close the modeling ribbon, you can redisplay it using its toggle button on the main toolbar, or by choosing Tools, Graphite Modeling Tools. To dock the ribbon again, you can right-click on its header and choose from the Dock submenu, or you can simply drag it back to its original place. The modeling ribbon is a horizontal UI elements. If you prefer to display the ribbon vertically, here's how to set it up. Unlike a horizontal ribbon, a vertical modeling ribbon cannot be displayed from the Tools menu or from the main toolbar. To manually create a toggle function to switch between horizontal and vertical ribbons, use Customize User Interface. Here you can create a keyboard shortcut, a toolbar icon, a quad menu entry, or a pull-down menu item. To add a keyboard shortcut, make sure you're in the Keyboard tab. In the category pull-down menu, choose Modeling Graphite Tools. Select the toggle modeling ribbon orientation action and then choose by pressing an unused keyboard shortcut such as Ctrl-G. Click the Assign button to save the changes. Exit the dialog and test the new toggle shortcut you created. In addition, you can also create your own floating ribbon tool containing only the panels you use the most. To create your customized ribbon, simply tear out individual panels into the viewport area. Panels can be made to float separately, or they can be docked together for easier manipulation. You can also mix and match panels from different tabs. Panels can be reordered by clicking and dragging the panel names. The floating customized modeling ribbon can be toggled from horizontal to vertical layout by clicking the toggle orientation icon on its top right side. Finally, you can dispose of a customized floating ribbon by sending back its panels to the main modeling ribbon.